Good morning and welcome back to City of Cars. Today we are going to be doing a walk around video for Tess. Obviously you requested a detailed video on this 22 Lincoln Aviator Black Label. Just want to go over a few things here on the screen before we go look at the vehicle. Just want to go over the Carfax. As you can see, there is one minor on there. One open recall, which is scheduled to obviously be corrected at our local Lincoln dealership that's like literally right across the street from us. It is a one owner. No major red flags as far as the Carfax, no total loss, no structural damage, no airbag deployment. It's still under basic warranty, not a salvage, junk, rebuild, fire, flood, hail, lemon title, and it was a personal lease for 3 years and 1 month. If we look at the warranty estimator, you'll see you have about 9 months or 25,000 miles remaining in warranty and about 33 months or about 45,000 miles remaining on the powertrain warranty aspect of it. But without any further ado, I got the keys right here on my desk. And if you can actually see it right there, there's the Lincoln dealership right there. So that's where it's gonna go to after we get it out of the garage. Unfortunately, here in Michigan, it is freezing cold today. So we are gonna keep this one inside for today just because of the temperatures. But here is the vehicle. Obviously nice and warm inside our indoor garage. But what I want to do is just kind of, I know you don't have the opportunity to come in and see this vehicle in person, so I just want to go over the vehicle and especially point out any little defects or anything that obviously I notice. That way you can obviously get the vehicle delivered to your house and not have any surprises. So let's start off by looking at the rims. Obviously you got a little tiny bit of curb rash right there, everything, and right in here you can see that you got a little nick. Now you can have that repaired. It is possible. Generally they charge about $125 a wheel, but not really noticeable. You got to actually like literally look at it to actually notice it, especially with that pattern. It does a really good job. So my personal recommendation, I would not do it, but just wanted obviously to show you that it is there again, so there are no surprises when we have this delivered to you. Taking a peek there. Other common spot for little nicks are the front end, obviously. So just want to kind of highlight there. Got a little guy right there, and just a couple little like nicks here and there. Obviously, just highway ships, nothing major. Got a couple right there and there. Other than that, front end looks really clean. Looking at the glass, not really seeing any type of ships or anything like that, so we are good there. Let's take a peek here and look at the interior of the vehicle. I absolutely love the interior of this car. It is absolutely gorgeous, and it's actually really cool. Like you can actually independently adjust that bolster. So I mean, it is almost nearly impossible not to find a comfy seating position with this. And that button right there does give you massaging seats, which is really cool. But let's go ahead and get inside. I'll do a quick little animation startup. I love that welcome screen, the little clouds floating in. Pretty cool. It does tell us that we're a little bit low on gas. Also, should point out exact miles are 24,994.5 as of this video. Heated seats, obviously. All the gizmos and gadgets you would expect to a modern car are going to be in here. You actually click this button here. Actually see the massaging feature that I was telling you about. This is really cool. You got a couple different options there. Actually, it already started and I feel it, and it's a good one. It definitely is not a sheet massage thing like you'd find for 20 bucks. It just vibrates, like it has the rollers and everything. It's really cool. Other thing I wanted to pay attention to is the driver assistance settings. So this will tell us like the safety features. So it does have adaptive cruise control, lane keep assist, pre-collision assist, speed sign recognition. That's kind of cool. I didn't know about that one. Blind spot information, little haul mode, and obviously it does have the towing package because it gives you a couple trailer sway, hill descent, cross traffic alert, reverse brake, driver alert. So definitely some cool little safety features there. Panoramic sunroof. Let's take a peek at the back seats. Where you open the doors, there's this little button right there. Go ahead and turn it off. We are inside, so obviously we don't want to fume up the garage too much. But let's take a peek here. Just wanted to show you the condition of the seats. You do have a touch screen panel with heated and ventilated seats in the back. Have this nice little compartment here, which I think you could retract the screen, little cubby hole for phones. Definitely a really luxurious back seat, and you do have a third row that is fully functional. So definitely some nice stuff. You even get some curtains for extra privacy. Definitely beautiful car. Taking a peek, fuelless cap system. Let's go ahead and pop open the trunk. I'm gonna go like that. Ooh, and we're gonna stop it right there. I mean, it will still make it, but still too close to the walls. Better safe than sorry. You do guys get some all-weather mats, which is pretty cool. Also, the third row can be folded down by the push of a button, as you can see there, and that is all powered, which is really convenient. Let's go ahead and step back here, and there's the button to close it back up. I'm gonna hunker down here just to give you a nice little undercarriage shot. As you can see, the vehicle's nice and clean. Oh, tires. Might as well do that here. Definitely still some nice tread on the tires. Look at the wear bar about right there. I wouldn't say they're brand new, but you definitely still have some life on the tires. I'd say they're about 55–60%. Definitely not new, but not totally worn out either. Check the other side here just to make sure. Yep, pretty much the same tread depth on that. And we'll check the back side. And backside, same exact thing. So there's a wear bar right there. Still have plenty of life on the rears. Actually, I think the rears have a little bit more. Do have blind spot monitoring system. Does have remote start, and you do get 2 sets of keys with this vehicle. But I'm hoping this video kind of helped you kind of get a better idea of the car. I know sometimes seeing pictures don't do it quite justice. Hopefully a video kind of helps out a little bit more. If you have any questions or if there's anything I missed and you want more, I'd be happy to do a follow-up video. But thank you so much for your time. Please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me directly.